In today's video, I'll be making a blueberry smoothie bubble tea with frozen blueberries and homemade tapioca pearls. For the drink, I'll be using a generous cup of frozen blueberries and a 3/4 cup of fresh milk. You can also add honey depending on your likings. For my pearls, I'll be using homemade tapioca pearls which were cooked for 20 minutes and soaked in molasses sugar. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for a new recipe every week.